Ordinary Yogi. This is Tilly the dog, and today we're going to have a yoga mat chat. What is yoga? And this is part one. One myth I'd like to blow out of the water first up is that in order to do yoga, you do not need expensive brand name clothing, expensive yoga mats. You don't need to sign up to classes or clubs or anything like that. And that was one reason why I really want to provide free yoga on the internet, is so that it is accessible for people who have access to a mobile phone, a computer, or streaming to their TVs. Okay. The idea of my channel is to give people a springboard, a suggestion to go in a particular direction for what you need in your journey of yoga. Wisdom of the Yogi Elders tells us that yoga is a journey. It's a way of establishing the mind in the self. So the aim of yoga is to develop discipline of the mind and evenness of the mind. Most people associate the practice of yoga with the physical actions, the asanas and the postures. At its most basic, at its most simplest level, yoga is about the body, the breath, and the mind. Okay, so we develop discipline and control over our body by practicing the asanas. We have discipline over our breathing by using different pranayamas, different breathing techniques. And we get discipline over our mind by doing different meditation practices. On my YouTube channel, I would like to provide physical ideas, so for your body, so through different sequences of asanas. I would like to provide a variety of meditation practices. I've already done a short one. If you would like a longer or different style of meditation, please leave me a comment below as to a type of meditation you would like to experience, and I'm happy to create that. The other thing I will be adding to my channel is some nutrition ideas, just some nice recipes that have worked really well, things that are good for you to eat, simple to make, and nourish your body. Finally, I want to share that yoga is a way of life. And in order to keep yoga free on the internet, please hit the subscribe button and like and share to Facebook or your friends. Namaste. Have a great day.